Hello. Welcome to another Gyanstairs introduction video. In this video, we are going to talk about the learning streams and why those are important for this platform. Every individual has something to share about a topic they feel passionate about, and there are people looking for same exact information. And that is where Gyanstairs comes in picture. It allows everyone to create videos and micro-tutorials about a very particular subsection of a topic. The beauty of this platform is that you do not need to spend days to prepare the whole course. Share whatever you are ready for. To keep everything in perspective, learning streams are important. They allow every smallest piece of knowledge to be put in context of the bigger picture of complete topic. Gyanstairs does this by providing 4 levels of knowledge streams: main streams, sub-streams, topics and subtopics. Scope is different from streams. It decides that the video you are interested to create or view belongs to the publicly available repository of learning streams or your private repository of streams. You can have your personal hierarchy created, and that will never be available to anyone other than you. Once you decide which scope you are interested in, then the system will navigate you accordingly to the first level of learning streams, mainstream. You see the mainstream section opened for the scope selected, and it shows already available mainstreams in the system. This is the broadest categorization, which resembles the bird's eye view of various possible fields or areas of knowledge. If you see that field of your interest is not available at all, then you can actually contribute to the platform and community by clicking on the Add New Mainstream button. More about that in a moment. Once you decide the mainstream you are interested in and click on it, it opens the next section, substreams, for you, which belongs to the mainstream of your choice. Now, you see that streams are getting little specific. Again, if you feel missing substream of your interest, you add. Now you know where this is going, right? On clicking the substream of your choice, it shows the related more specific topics for that substream. Like when you are interested in programming languages, it shows you all the available programming languages options in the system. And this is where everything becomes to the point. The subtopics for any particular topic like JavaScript are the actual learning sections. These are the very specific subtopics, starting from very basic and introduction level on the left-hand side to going to more advanced sections of the topic. So, to again put everything in perspective, what you see on screen are the subtopics starting from basic towards more advanced sections. Which belong to the topic, JavaScript. Which belongs to the substream, programming languages. Which belongs to the mainstream, software development. Which belongs to the public scope of learning streams repositories. Remember that everything you see in the system has been contributed by the individuals in the community. Gyanstairs provides the platform, but every single stream starting from mainstreams till the subtopics is coming from enthusiasts, like you, within the contributor and learning community of Gyanstairs. Now, as discussed earlier, let us see what you can do when you see that any particular mainstream, substream, topic or subtopic which you are interested in, is not already available. Let us start with the subtopics level. If you are interested in sharing something about a subtopic of JavaScript, but see that it is not available, then you click on the Add New Subtopic. The only thing to take care here is that subtopics are to be added in logical sequence of learning. What that means is that you cannot add subtopics out of logical sequence of learning, like introducing advanced features first and basic features later, which are used by advanced features. Please note that what you see on the screen is just an example and may not be correct. Also, please note that when any additions to the public learning streams are submitted, those are reviewed by the platform, and if those are not found to be correct, those are rejected and do not become part of the public learning streams repositories. No such restrictions for private learning streams. Okay, let us see what happens when you click on the Add New Subtopic button. You land on a page where you will be able to submit the contributions to the streams. Top part of the page shows you information about where you are going to add the stream contribution. Like here, it shows that you are going to add a subtopic for the public repository. And mainstream software development. Substream programming languages. And topic as JavaScript. Now, let us talk about the main section of the page, which allows you to add subtopics. You see that as you want to add only subtopics, so other sections of the form are disabled. The form shows you the containers, topic within substream, which is within mainstream. To add subtopic, you click on Add Subtopic button. And it opens a new container within the container of topic, making it visibly clear that the subtopic you are going to add is part of the topic above. Now that you are ready to enter the subtopic, it is very important to be cautious about what you are going to add here to avoid rejection by the platform for this submission. Keep track of what is already available for this topic and add next logical subtopic. On submitting, the platform does an automated verification to check if exactly matching subtopic is already available, like here the user is trying to add exactly same subtopic which is already available. And in such case, on submission, it will not be accepted by the system and user sees a message about it on the top of this page. Though a little change in the wordings will avoid rejection by the automated system, but such submission will be rejected later during the review. So, it is very important to add correct and logically next section of the subtopics. It is a community-driven platform and unnecessary rejections by the platform during the review deprive the community of your valuable insights. You never know, there would be someone looking for exactly the same information, which you were going to provide but got rejected. You can add one subtopic, or if you want to share your knowledge in one single go, then you can click on the Add Subtopic button again. And it adds another subtopic container within the same topic container. You can continue adding at the max 5 subtopics in one go. Once your contribution to the subtopics has been accepted by the automated system, it goes for the review by the Gyanstairs platform. Until it is approved, it will not become part of the public repository of learning streams. Once approved, contributions from different contributors will become part of public repositories. Please note, after submission, until approved, a user will not be able to submit any more contributions, to keep things simpler for the platform. However, the private learning streams, as those are for personal reference, those appear immediately. Each of these subtopics is clickable button, but how system behaves when you click on any of those is a matter of a different video. Please check that video because that is where everything, all the learning streams hierarchy and corresponding videos come together. Let us now talk about when you want to add a new topic altogether, like you see that the programming language you are interested in is not part of the substream programming languages. So, you add it. There is a button to add new topic. Basically, you land on the same page like before, but this time, system lands you one level above than earlier. Now, you have choice to start adding from the topic and rest everything is just like discussed earlier. Gyanstairs allows you to add 2 topics of your choice in one single go. Consider that you are expert in 2 different programming languages, then you can add both in one single submission. As discussed earlier, for each topic, the system allows you to add maximum of up to 5 subtopics. As you may have understood, on the similar lines, when user starts at one level above, that means user decides to add the substream, which means, under software development, user decides that along with programming languages, next missing substream is database, so user can start the form for that. System allows user to add only one substream at one time. On same lines as discussed earlier, for the suggested substream, user can add 2 topics and for each topic, 5 subtopics can be suggested. And at the topmost level, system allows users to suggest the mainstream itself, where users can submit a field of learning which community would be interested in. It allows user to submit one complete hierarchy starting with one mainstream, one substream, 2 topics and 5 subtopics for each topic. Thanks for your time. Bye now.